how to differentiate an animal cell and a plant cell. There are numerous plants are around us. There are variety of animals are also there. But have you ever think that whether they are same in the cellular level? Exactly, they are not same. So today we'll learn how we can differentiate both the plant and animal cell. I am Ujwala and welcome to our channel UM Science. Before starting our topic, that is the plant versus animal, please subscribe our channel if you are new over here and don't forget to like and share with your friends. First, as we all know, the plant cell and the animal cell, as they have different function, different organism and different variety, so they are differ in variety of characteristics. First, let us see about the cell size. Usually, the plant cells are larger in size, approximately 10 to 100 micrometer in size. It is also enclosed by a rigid cell wall of cellulose and plasma membrane. So, the whole cell size are usually larger as compared to the animal cell. But here, in case of animal cell, it is comparatively smaller in size. Then it is 10 to 30 micrometer in size and it is also enclosed by only flexible plasma membrane. No other cellulase or any other intact membrane are there. Second, if we talk about its shape, as we can see over here, in case of plant cell, it cannot change its shape because as we all know, plants are steady. They do not need any kind of movement as compared to the animal. So it is fixed as well as we can see over here also it is rectangular in their shape. But if we see the plant cell is compared to the animal one, here in animal it can often change its shape because animal need to move for their variety of functions so that they can change their shape as per the requirement. They are majorly round in shape and majorly irregular also because as per their movement and requirement they need to change their shape regularly. So they are irregular. Now if we talk about the cell wall, it is present in the plant cell, but it is completely absent in the animal cell. Because the plant requires more protection, it possesses the cell wall. But in animal, we have our outer coverage of the skin protects the whole body, so there is no requirement of cell wall in each and every particular cell. Second is plasma membrane. Similarly, it is also present in the plant cell, but in case of animal cell, it is totally absent. There is very thin layer is there over the animal cell, but there is no complete intact plasma membrane over there. Now about the cell organelles. Obviously, there are many organelles and they are similar also in both the cells, like ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, Golgi body, mitochondria and ribosomes. Here ER present in both the cells around the nucleus. The nucleus are also present in the central area. The Golgi body is also there in plant and animal both the cell. Mitochondria is also there as a powerhouse to generate the energy. Ribosomes are also there on the surface of ER and lysosome to kill the enemy comes from the outside. So majorly all the cell organelles are there in both type kind of cell. But what is differ over here? That is the plastids. What is plastid? Is a type of chloroplast which require to synthesize the food. Because of this function, the chloroplast present in only plant, which gives them green color. We have observed the plant with a green leaf. Why is it so? It is because of the presence of chloroplast. But we all know that the chloroplast is totally absent in animal. So plastids are not there in animal cell. Second, if we talk about the vacuoles, here as we can see, it is usually large and few central vacuoles are there in case of plant cell. But here in animal cell, it is usually small and numerous central vacuoles are there. other point, that is the plasmodesmata. But what is it actually? The plasmodesmata is a central middle connection between two cells with the help of which they can pass various food, water and mineral plus nutrient from one cell to another cell. So this function required in plant in most of the condition, because they are absorbing the water from the soil and passing to the each and every tip of the plant. So this they require this kind of transportation. So the plant is consists of this plasmodesmata, but in case of animal cell it is totally absent. Now about cilia, where it is present. The cilia is the outermost aerial part which helps the cell to move and to rotate from their axis. So it is present generally in case of animal cell. So in a plant it is absent, but in animal most of the animal cells consist of the cilia in them. If we talk about the human body also, inside our variety of system, for example digestive system or nervous system or respiratory system, inside we have small hair and villi like structure. This villi and this hair all are nothing else than the cilia. It is a type and a part of cilia. Now about the other function in case of plant and animal cell. They reserve the food for the future purpose. But in which form? In case of plant, they store energy as a starch, and it can synthesize all coenzymes, vitamins and amino acids. But what is differ over here in case of animal? It stores energy as a glycogen. And what is glycogen? It is more complex molecule of the starch, but it cannot synthesize all coenzymes, vitamins and amino acids. So this is also a major difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. The last thing, that is the cytokinesis. Actually, what is the cytokinesis? When the cell divides from 1 to 2, at the end of the telophase, two cells will be go in the opposite direction to release from one another, but at the end they generate some cytokinesis area where the contractile ring of microfilaments causes the constriction at a cell center, and here the microfilaments are present. Here they generate two separate two cell independently. So here it occurs by cell plate formation in case of plant cell, but in case of animal it occurs by furrowing. So this is how the plant cell and the animal cell are different. Please subscribe our channel if you are new over here, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much, and keep supporting, keep watching.